Welcome to the 2008 Ursha Jamboree. Right now, flying the new minicopter Joker3DD, the dual drive system, is 15-year-old David Penger from Germany. This model features a dual drive system, a separate motor to drive the tail, then to drive the main motor. This machine has a unique drive system that uses a completely separate motor, speed controller, and battery for the tail rotor. The main drive is powered by an Actro 32.3 and a Jive 80 HV speed controller, running two 6-cell 3800 Thunder Power Extreme packs. Driving the tail is a Hacker A3012XL and a Jazz 4618 speed controller using a 4S 2500 mAh battery. Both controllers are operating in governor mode and are completely independent of each other. The main advantage of the dual drive system is more available power to the main rotor, allowing for higher payload or more hardcore 3D flying. During auto rotations, the tail rotor can be stopped or turned back on for a fully controllable auto. Ultimately, you gain 20% more power by separating the power sources for the main and tail, as well as increasing the climbing rate to more than 60 feet per second. Flying right now is a flybarred belt drive system. There will ultimately be a flybarred and flybarless system, as well as a torque tube shaft drive and the belt drive. As you can see, the climb of this model is very, very impressive, as well as the size of the loops possible. This model is running Radix main and tail blades, 690mm main blades, 105mm tail blades. Any blades are possible with this, just like any of the previous Joker models. The tail motor draws during hard 3D flight approximately 250 milliamp hours per minute. With 3800 milliamp hour main packs with this new system, we're able to get 5 to 6 minutes of hard 3D with a smaller pack than before. Not had any problems with tail authority throughout any maneuver. The tail is held perfectly. During the auto rotation, the tail motor will remain at the same speed as it was during flight, yielding infinitely controllable auto rotations, along with the reduced drag on the tail blades of the main motor.